Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. Okay. So, in today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started yesterday, and that was map, right? So, we basically discussed the difference between a map and a picture, right? So, what was the difference? Who is going to tell me? What was the difference between a map and a picture? Yes, raise your hands. So, yes, who is going to tell me the difference? Yes, basically, map and picture are similar in this manner that both of us tells us about the location or the details of a house, right? Or details of anything. But they are different in this manner that a map does not have the minimal details included in it, but a picture have. Or in other words, we can say, like we discussed in yesterday class, that a picture basically captures the real time scenarios, right? Whether like we discussed that if a person is crossing the road, it will also be captured in the picture. If a person is standing in the balcony, it will also be captured in the picture. If somebody is flying a kite, that kite will also be captured. But when you make a map of something, you don't include all these details, right? Because it's not the real time scenario. So this is the very small difference between the map and a picture. Otherwise they are similar. Now I'm going to show you a video, and then I'll ask you a few questions. So just look at this video. I'm going to share the screen. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay. Yes, is it visible? Okay.
Let's learn about Pakistan and how the map is placed.
Okay, look at this picture. This is the picture of Pakistani map, right? Like in yesterday class, I told you the map of Pakistan that we have looked was not including such minor details. Now over here, can you see that these all blue lines or all crossing blue lines? It shows you the watery area. Over here, it's Pakistan. It shares its borders with India, then Iran, Afghanistan, China. Over here, Arab Sea, then all of the cities, all of the main ports, all of the small towns, everything has been mentioned, right? And Islamabad has written with a star, which shows that it's the capital of it, right? So like in this the map of Pakistan, it tells us about every area, everything wherever it is located, and with a different scheme. See over here, the scheme is mentioned that the star, it shows the capital. This line shows the rivers, a bit blue line, it shows about the canals and etc etc, right? So there is this key of the map as well. Let's move forward.
That's Pakistan. We have Afghanistan, Iran, China, with the Arabian Sea as well on our borders. Then we have Pakistan divided into all these provinces: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, KPK, and Gilgit-Baltistan on the top. The location of Pakistan is very important.
Okay, so see, that was a map of Pakistan and all of the details were included in it, right? Similarly, now what we will be doing, that the map that we are discussing is not the map of Pakistan. We are discussing about the house maps, right? So I'm going to share some pictures with you related to that. Let's have a look on that. This is the picture of map of a house. Through this we get the detail. Okay, so if you have seen the map books of different societies, you might have seen such different designs. They give you the designs of 3 marla house, 5 marla house, then they have 10 marla house, one canal house, and etc etc. And people, whoever the design, whatever the design they like, they just choose it and then they build their house on it. Let's say if we talk about this design, in this we have two bedrooms, basically three bedrooms, sorry, three bedrooms with two washrooms, then we have this dining area, then we have this sitting area and an open kitchen, right, in this design, and a small balcony over here. See, balcony on two sides, over here and here as well. So this is the design and we love the design. And there is this small garage. Well, you cannot park the car in this, right? Let's look at the next one. Okay, let's look at this design. Well, this design have two bedrooms, one over here, one there. Over here we have a drawing room or the sitting area, and over here we have the kitchen, right? So you can park the car as well. We have a garage and we have a small mini garden as well, right? So this is also a wonderful design. Now this is not a picture of a house, it's the map of it, that you can build your house in this manner. Now let's look at the last one. Okay, this is very interesting picture because it will help you understand the difference more between the picture and the map. See, on the left hand side we have a map, and on the right hand side we have the picture of a house which is being built on this map. So according to the map, it tells us that we will be having three bedrooms, a garage, a sitting area, a drawing room, and the kitchen. And on this map, this house has been built. It is the size of 40 over 68, right? And it looks beautiful. So this is the difference between map and the picture, that they both are similar in this fashion, that map does not include the minimal details but the picture do. See, in the map you cannot see the lights, you cannot see the tree around, you cannot see the road, but over here you can see all of this, right? So this is the difference between the map and the picture. Now I want all of you to please open your book, page number 62. This is 62. It says that tick the correct sentence. A map is a drawing of an area, a map is a picture of an area, or a map and an aerial picture give the same information. Which is the correct one? A map is a drawing of an area. Wonderful. Take that. Now there is this very interesting activity. It says that draw a simple map of the picture above. Now this is the picture taken of an area from the rooftop. You are supposed to make the map of it. So hurry up, take out your notebooks. This is very interesting. Now what would be the difference, that you will not be including these data? Let's say you will not be making a vehicle on the road, you will not be including all of these bushes like this. So it would be very simple, right? So hurry up, take out your notebooks and make a map of this picture and then show it to me. Hurry up. Yes, are you done? Show it to me. Wonderful. Okay. Yes, Alize, what about you? Are you done? Show it to me. Excellent. Okay, class, that was all for today. We are done with this topic. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, we will be starting with a new topic. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.